guys, welcome back to Sabers Forever. I'm John, and today is May 4th, the day that all Star Wars fans know to celebrate their love of the franchise. And what better way to do that than with a 10% discount on my website across the board. One of those sabers that's on discount right now is the new released Qui-Gon by KRSabers, or the Master Qui-Gon Jinn. This thing is absolutely beautifully machined, well thought out for install and end user use. The saber is anodized in black and feels amazing in the hand. It's loud and it's pretty decently balanced for a NeoPixel saber. So without further ado, why don't we jump right in and I'll show you exactly what's going on. Alright, so this is the Master QGJ by KRSabers, released today on May 4th. This thing is super awesome. I am so glad to be able to offer one installed on the website today for its release. I was asked to do the install for the demo unit, and then I just begged and pleaded until I got one from him early for the website. So jump on it while you can, because I'm sure somebody's gonna beat you to it if you don't. The saber is really cleanly installed. The chassis system is really nice. It is a single button saber. Just to show off real quick, it opens at the top right here. The emitter comes off, and you have your stock NPXL Eco, your battery, which can come out right here. Or if you wanted, underneath the shroud, you can remove, there's a screw here holding this chassis in, and then this actually slides out and you can pull the battery out. So it's not that big a deal. This cover tech just comes off. I guess I should be demoing this, shouldn't I? So you'll need a 2.5mm Allen wrench. Divert this video real quick. You can rotate the shroud to the right, and you'll see this set screw right here. So that set screw will loosen the chassis enough that you can pull it out, and then the battery is easier to remove that way. I obviously don't have to access it all the time because the kill switch in the bottom is so easily accessible that you're not going to be charging this a lot. Basically, I like the removable feature solely for cosplay, because if you're at a con and your battery dies, then at least you have a way of changing real quick, to make sure that you can still have your saber active during photos. But as you can see, real easy to just assemble, and it looks super clean, and that is real tight. So to open the bottom pommel, just twist this off. You'll notice there's a speaker in the way, but this is the speaker pod and access to the whole saber. So you have your proffieboard V2.2, your stock speaker connector, and then your off-on switch, which is on the kill switch. So flip that. Obviously no boot up because this is isn't in the saber, but the pod, this is actually the first version of the chassis. The newer chassis has a little stabilizing pin on here now. But the issue is that this will twist when you're tightening the pommel. So what I've actually found is this notch right here is designed to avoid the finger inside for the kill switch. So it needs to go face up. But if you install it or put it into the saber face down, and align this cutout with the power button, as you tighten your pommel on, it'll actually rotate into the exact right position. And you'll know this because the pommel closes all the way. If it was right here, it would, if it wasn't aligned correctly, it would stop about that far out. But alignment was proper, and that technique has worked for me every single time. You have your blade retention screw right here, and let's just toss a blade in. And this is such a snug fit that for the demo I'm not even going to use it. Power. Really, really, really nice hilt. It has twist on, twist off, and it also comes with, I forgot to mention, a blade plug with a steel top, a copper top, and a clear anodized bezel versus the black one. This just unscrews, so you can put a different bezel on there. I'm sorry, you can put a different blade plug top on there. And then this power button just unscrews, and you can remove the bezel and put the other one on if you wanted. So really nice. Tolerances might not be as nice because I actually honed this red power button. I'm sorry, I honed the switch for this black bezel. So maybe if this is like, I don't know, 1,000th or 2 off, it might feel a little different, but I'll let you find that out. Anyways, so yeah, the Saber just has off, on, and blasters. It also can play music, which I believe is 2 taps. I picked a good one. So this is from Tales of the Jedi. So double tap the power button in order to start and stop music. You can start it without sound by double tapping and holding the second press and then releasing, and it'll start without sound. So there's a whole bunch of features with this Saber. There's ways to color change, there's volume menus, all kinds of things. But most importantly, this Saber, I have to say, is wildly impressive. I mean, it's gorgeous to the nth degree, and there's discrete sound venting here and in the pommel right here, which yeah, you can barely see. If you take the pommel off, though, you can see how it's vented. So really discreet. You barely even notice it if I didn't tell you. Yeah, you won't regret picking this Saber up. It is, see, not aligned there. That's what it would look like. So you won't regret picking this up. It's truly a work of art, and I am so happy to be able to offer it to you guys. So until, you know, next time, let's just wrap this video up and yeah, take it from there. Alright guys, that does it for this video. If you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe to see more awesome lightsaber installs just like this one. If you are looking to get a Saber installed that you don't see on my website, please reach out at john@sabersforever.com and I'd be happy to get back to you with any information that you need. This lightsaber will be available on the website and is at 10% off right now, along with everything on the website for May 4th. So just for today, for Star Wars Day, you better strike while the lightsaber's hot, because those deals are going to be gone on May 5th. All of the new KRSabers lightsabers that he released for May 4th are available for install on my website, all of the various chassis. So if you have a KRSabers Crossguard KR7 coming, then ship that on over, go to the website, sabersforever.com, and order the Crossguard KR7 commission with the whatever the kit is that you ordered. So if it was a EcoCC, you would get the EcoCC commission. So basically that does it. That's all I really wanted to tell you guys, is that there's a sale and that you should probably, you know, capitalize on that. Because you're going to buy lightsabers anyways. I mean, why else would you be watching this YouTube video? So anyways, until the next time, may the Force be with you.